Okay, so altogether 150 pi. Now if we wanted the decimal, what would you do on your calculator? 150, hit your times button, hit pi, press equals. Can you guys do that just to make sure you know what to do? First one. 471.2388. That's good enough. Okay. What's the best answer? 150 pi. Yes?
What happened to the stuff that we did with the rectangle?
The rectangular prisms?
Yeah.
It's coming back. We're going to look at that tomorrow again.
No, like the
Oh, the rectangle?
yeah.
It's right here. That's your rectangular shape. Because the circumference, the pi business stays in there.
Okay.
Make sense? Okay. Any other questions? Good one, by the way.
Do we have to round that?
Yeah, you should round it to probably 2 decimals, maybe. But I mean, we don't really like that answer, so don't bother. The best answer is 150 pi. In fact, I don't like this one so much, I'm erasing it. Yuck. Gross. Ew. There you go. No decimals. Can you not read? No decimals. Hey. He did? How could he? Yeah, you. Oh, good. He's trying to rat you out, though. Okay, let's try next one. What do we start with? Anna? Starts with an F. It's that F word. Not that one. Formula. Okay. Surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Don't you use 16 for the radius. That's like the standard math teacher trick. What's the radius? Okay, so diameter 16, radius equals 8. All right. Let's see if you guys can do this. Remember, it's kind of got a left side, right side thing going on here, okay? Moving on then, listening please. Surface area of a cube. I remember I just did this morning with my grade 10s. So what we do is we find the area of one square. Area equals s squared. Okay, this here is your side length squared. It's not a 5. But on a cube, like a dice, how many sides are on a dice? 6. So you take the surface area, which is the area of one square, and you multiply it by 6. So it's 6 times s squared. So you can do it as a formula, which is super easy. Surface area equals 6 times 4 squared. What you want to do is 4 squared first, which is 4 times 4, and then times it by 6. So on your calculator, you can go 6 times 4, and hit your special squared button, press equals. And you should get 96 centimeters squared. Try it right now. Make sure you know how to work your calculator, please. Tim?
Wouldn't the bottom ones be 6 centimeters?
No, because the cube is volume. What we're doing is going centimeters times centimeters, so all we can get is centimeters squared. It's kind of weird because it's a cube, but it's not volume that we're finding, just the area. Okay? Good question. Any other questions? Not a good question. Keep that. Don't bug me with a question like that. Come on now. Okay, next one. What's each cube below is dimension of 5 centimeters. What's the area of one face or one square? Yep.
25.
Bingo. Right, so area equals s squared, or it's 5 squared, which equals 25. Okay. Now, how many faces are there that are exposed? Underline that word exposed. Exposed means we don't include these two that are touching. Okay. Do not include the middle. If you dump that shape into paint, the middle would not get painted. It's like putting a donut into icing sugar. How come the inside of the donut isn't got icing sugar on it? It's not on the surface. Okay. So, how many are exposed? Oh, Sarah, what do you think? 10? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other cube would have the same. 10, exactly. There's going to be 10 faces. So if each one is 25, what would be the surface area? 250. Okay, so you have 250 faces. Okay. Try it for the next one as well. Go. Okay, so if one face then would be 36. So 6 squared, which equals 36 centimeters squared. How many faces? Here we have 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. Altogether 18 faces. So the composite area would be 18 times 36. 648 centimeters squared. Okay. Any questions? Good. Next one. You guys done this one yet? Okay, so do this one too now, please. Go. Where's my mistake, folks? Where is Mr. Barker's mistake? Maddie?
Isn't it because because you have to times 26 by 26.
Right here.
Yeah, I was
Right.
right.
I shouldn't have squared 26. It should have just been 6 times 26. Okay. So 6 times 26 would be 156.
Why do we times that by 4?
Because this is 1 cube. If we break this shape apart, how many cubes would there be? Nope, no worries. 624 final answer. How many people got that? 624. Much better. Woohoo! Okay, always check Mr. Barker's work.